We just put slimes on our bikes. Hello. Yeah, so they recommended to drive 0.2 miles after you put your slimes on to rotate the slime inside. So I did slimes for both our bikes. I started with Nikki's first because if something goes wrong, at least I still have my bike. Slime prevent and repair flat tires. Tire sealant. Seal instantly for 2 years. Stop slow leaks. Safe and easy. Alright. I'm gonna assume mine will be 4 ounces. Let's try it out on this Jetson Bolt Pro because this is Nikki's bike. I can mess it up. Wash my hand a little bit. Put it on the top half. So let's do that. Do that. With this, you take this guy out. This guy has a tool that apparently will deplete this guy and takes. There you go. Give it to me, baby. You want to deplete a little bit so that thing doesn't pop out and hurts you. Oof, god dang, it stinks. It smells like fish. I'm recording. This thing smells like fish. Come here, boo. Damn. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, that's flat enough. Fudge. It's time to do something. To unscrew this thing, you move it counterclockwise. So this like this. Let me have my finger. It's just a little tight, but don't worry about it because I did it. So you turn it this way, okay? Okay, that guy's out. So remember what he looks like. Next thing is you use the slime. I bought a 32 fluorine ounce. Position the valve upward. Stink ass. Slowly remove the valve core into an in cap. So we removed the valve core already. Allow tires to fully deflate it. Remove objects. So you have like a nail, remove it. Attach hose and squeeze in slime. So now, oh crap, which way does it go in? It's probably going this way. The thicker, the wider portion will go in first. Reinstall valve core. Just add air. Drive stop, verify sealed, and check pressure. My inflator requires a, please tell me you have 86%, that's good. Let's see if I can use this portable battery power. It has a 12 volt lighter socket. Now I need the inflator, which is somewhere here. It's probably down here. I see you, mofo. Hi, Tesla. I haven't driven you for a while. That's because I have my new e-bikes, but I'll be with you soon. Okay? You're still my number one. Love you. Going in. This is exciting! Hey, wifey. Alexa, read my notification. What? My bike seat's supposed to be arriving today, but it's not notifying me. That's just foul. I have a thing with washing hands, so don't mind me. Hello, handsome. I might take that part out. Okay, it's possibly going to get loud. Hopefully this is enough power to power this guy. Ah! Okay, it has enough power. Sweet. Okay, we want to set it 30 to 45. So we set the number to 45. That's the great thing about this guy. You don't have to worry. Every time you pump tires, like back in the old days, you use a manual one. You get like, oh Jesus, it's gonna take a whole day. I just not ride bike. But now you have this thing, and it's pretty affordable. So now we have slime on one tire. That's cool. Now we test on the back tires. Stick this guy in, go the other way, which is this way, counterclockwise, and take this valve core out. I didn't scream. You should deflate it first before you do that. I got carried away. So basically you stick this in and get some air out first to get the pressure out. Oh, I got slime on myself. Boo, can I get a napkin? Let's squeeze this guy. Squeeze it like it's hot. Thanks, Boo. I don't know if 4 ounce is a good choice. It's just an easy math for me. Because the Lectric XP recommended to have 8 ounce inside, so I'm just halving. It's gonna get loud again. See, this thing worth every penny right here. I'll leave a link in the description for these inflators, but amazing. I mean, I use it on my Honda, on my Tesla. Put the cap back on, and that's done with one bike. It's time we tackle the Lectric XP. Nikki's bike was a success, I think. So we're gonna tackle this guy. The Jetson Bolt Pro. Maximum is 45 PSI. I believe this one is only 20. Okay, now we're gonna do the Lectric XP front tire. Remove the cap. Remember to release the air before you remove the core valve all the way, because it's gonna pop and fly everywhere. Now we add slime in. Oh crap, oh shit! So slimy, pun intended. One more light squeeze, and that should be it. So put the core valve back, use the tool provided with the slime to tighten it. Change this to 25, no 20. Let's do 10 first. Okay, that's half of the recommended PSI. But you want to do half first, so you can check to see if the tires are okay, see that? That's not good. Look, this thing is not going in all the way, so we have to deflate it. So we can push this guy in. Yeah, prepare to take about 15 to 30 minutes to do this if it's your first time. Dang, it's too tight to push it in. Okay, I'm gonna hold it like this and turn it back on. So now at half, which is 10 PSI, it's looking good. The tires are inside the rims. So now we turn it on to 20 PSI. So I'm pretty excited that I completed both our bikes with slime before noon, because in my mind, getting everything done before noon is an accomplishment. Getting everything done before 7 is even better. But I did it before noon, and it was amazing. At least now we know both our bikes is somewhat protected. I know it's not 100%,
safe. It says it could protect your bike up to 6mm puncture. I mean, it's better than nothing, especially with Nikki and I likes to go on a lot of rides, and there are times we go into dirt road with nails and stuff. And so like back there was a portion of dirt road, and if we go a little bit further, there's more dirt road, and even the place where we're going to go to, there's extra dirt road, but we're not going to go there because Nikki's, even I am afraid of that road. It is so hilly, and the bike, the Lectric XP, is 70 pounds. So it's safe not to go there. Just enjoy this ride for now.